Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class nursery, and today's topic is a kite without color. So dear student, a kite without color, you should draw with me. And when you draw, so that you should open your art copy first and ready with your pencil, and though this is without color, so you no need to ready your color. So dear student, I hope you should attentive this class very carefully. Look at the board. Now I will teach you how to draw a kite very easily. Dear student, I know you all know the shape's name. Today I will draw a first shape like this. First draw a curved line like this and draw this line and again join these lines. Okay. So dear student, say what is this? This is triangle shape. You know the shape's name. This is triangle shapes. Then you draw again a line like this, again this line, and draw a tiny triangle again. Okay. Then draw a line, straight line, and join there up to bottom, and you must draw this line also. And after that you decorate your kite like this. This is and these lines, and you can use your eyes, a smiley face, and give this also. And after that you draw this. This. Hope you all are understood this class very easily. How to I have drawn the kite. So dear student, this is also your SW number 12. This is your RW also. You should mention on your copy that this is RW and SW number 12. Then you will draw the kite and submit your SW at your school every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. So dear student, no more today. Stay at your home. Abide by your parents. That's all. Thank you.